Hey guys, welcome back to our video, or welcome to our video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Tyrone. This is Tyrone Studio. So in this video we are going to show you how to make a bread in a primitive oven, a mud oven to be exact. And if you haven't watched part 1 of this whole thing, you can go back in the channel and watch part 1 of how we made the oven. So today, in today's video, we are going to show you how to make the bread in that mud oven. Alright, so simple as that. Stay tuned and just please give us a subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and you can like the video if you haven't liked the video yet, and leave a comment for us. Alright, let us know how you feel about this whole experience. So let us get into this video and make bread. Alright guys, so what we're gonna need for this is just a basic all-purpose flour. So this is 2 pounds of flour. Obviously we're not gonna use all 2 pounds, so we're just gonna use at least, because the yeast really spread, right? And we're not making a big bread. So this is like almost not even 1 pound fully, right? But this amount, so this was 2 pounds and we use a little less than half of it, right? So let us close back our ingredient here. So we're adding the dry ingredients first. So this is salt. So we're adding like a half tablespoon of salt to the mixture. Salt for a taste. Then we're gonna add our yeast. Right, we're adding instant yeast. So this is the yeast that we're using, guys. Instant yeast. So we're gonna add, let me pull this a little bit more so I can get a good grip. Alright, so we're adding this is like 2 tablespoons. This is like 2 tablespoons of yeast, right? So I'm just gonna spread our yeast in our bread mixture. Alright, so this is 2 tablespoons of yeast. Rest this over here. Alright, so we're gonna give our dry ingredients a little bit of mix. Alright, so this give it a little bit of mix. I like to get these yeast and everything. Yes, the salt is already inside it already. So we have salt and yeast so far. Alright, beautiful. Okay guys, alright guys, so we are gonna add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So this big spoon here is like equivalent to 2 tablespoons. Alright, you don't need more than that because not making pizza dough, right? And then here comes the warm milk. So this is warm milk we're gonna add to the mixture gently. So make a little, you know, like in a mixing, boom boom, come over and show them in the middle here. Make a little bit of, yes, pour it in the middle and mix. Yes, just like that. Get all of that on the side here. Beautiful. So we're gonna go in with our hands now.
And make sure your hand is very, very clean.
Yes, sir, Bob. This is how you want the dough. You want it sticky. You want your dough to be sticky.
Can we make biscuits?
Of course.
Ah.
Make sure you clean out all of the flour along the container here.
What can I say? Not now, waste, not now, that's right. No.
Alright guys, so we're gonna put some knead in this dough here. Knead it out a little bit more. Alright. And then we're gonna put our dough to rest. So by kneading, you get the gluten strands out, right? So by kneading, getting, see what we need, pull. So knead, pull, knead, pull, knead, pull, knead, pull, push, 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 knead, pull. Right? Alright guys, so we're gonna get it into this ball like pattern, and then it's just going to, smells really good. And we're gonna let it stay here, then we're gonna cover it up and let it rise. Soon come.
So, what going peeps? What are that pan? Everything good? So, now going on the oven, right?
And then dark like midnight.
Yeah. Clean them up. You see it? Then I'm going to make a fire, you know? There's some local fire in this. Some local bram, you know? Get things going. So, happy Marcus Garvey Day. Today's Marcus Garvey birthday. You know me feel about Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey is the ideology of me, you see? Yeah. Big up Marcus Garvey.
How your fire looking, boom boom?
Looking wonderful, piece by piece by piece by piece. Piece by piece, piece by piece by piece by piece by piece.
Alright, I'm sure no one go and
Yeah,
see
piece
there.
by piece by piece by piece, people. You see it, look at bram.
Guys, watch the video, man. Watch the full video here and give it a like. Don't skip over every day, no. Skip over every day. I'm coming for you. A joke, yeah. Do what me I make. I'll go and do it. Talk to me, boom boom. How your fire look?
Fire is going quite well right now. You know, see underneath it, they said I go on. I make some coal, people. You understand? I make some nice coal.
Yes, sir. See it there. Original mud oven.
Thank you.
build up. No. Watch out in that boy. Watch out in that boy.
So I'm gonna go and make it get some cool now. Yeah. And also it's curing at the same time.
Yeah.
You know? Wow, this is amazing.
Let's see what it can do.
Can make a pizza. Can bake a cake for a newfound friend, newfound fan.
Yes, sir.
Big yourself up on your birthday coming up on the 27th. Don't forget. Put that down on our calendar. You know? So we're there.
Yeah, man. Big up. See you over there, guys. Test the practicality, you know? Yeah.
You show them the door?
No, we're not sure them do it.
Keep it for a surprise?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Alright, guys, so the dough risen. This is it, right? So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna kind of take it out of the bowl like this. See it there? Nice. This is how you want your dough. So we're gonna separate it like this. Let me just rest this part here. Alright, cool. So this now, I'm gonna put some kneading into this. Alright. Go rise up nice and thing. Alright. So I'm gonna give this a little kneading. Add a little bit of oil, baking tin, and then we're gonna just leave this to rise again for a next 15 minutes, right? So this is how we want it to stay. So you're gonna rise for 15 more minutes, and then we're gonna get to the baking. Let's put that to the side, and then we're gonna cover it. So I'm gonna repeat the steps. So let me just cover this, let it stay here, rise 15 more minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna repeat the step for the next one. Soon come.
So right now I get some coal in the thing, you see it? I cured it before, so I get some coal. So then I burn out. We just do it thing and bake. I just get some coal, people. See it?
Yes, sir. So we place it there for about 10 minutes to raise. So we're gonna add a little bit of egg on it to give it a little bit of color. You know what I mean? An extra kick. I'll rub on our egg. I call Mikey always rub on it on the patty them. So be gentle at this stage, huh? You have to be super gentle.
You see me I say?
So you have to rub it on like this, you know? There you go. There you go. All the bird them want some. There you go.
Dry spot.
Mike is a non-dry spot. Like yeah, bread boss, you know. No dry spot dog at this. No dry spot, alright? So this is it. Alright guys, so test for temperature. Mikey can feel it. See if the temperature alright, put it on right so I feel it.
Yeah, sure no what go on now. You don't need no fire out there so. And the party man a chat here.
Alright, so
Alright, but let me go to feel like man. Jump it. Alright, boss. See me that jealous when I want to fire out the so.
fire good there, sir. Alright, so bread in the oven. Take one.
Take two.
No man, it's hot man. Alright. Lock him up. Yeah man, he's good there, sir. You have to give him a little ear space, you know. So he can't breathe. A little ear space. Run on the side there, so. Ear space there. Alright, so if you have ear space or else you know what, that go out. Yes people, so give it one nice little 10 minutes and set him up real and proper. Understand? Outside. Yeah man, see ear space there? Perfect ear space. Put it on there. Feel heat. Alright guys, so take out it. Take your time the pattern.
Where's something there?
What's that?
The bread something with the cut pan. Quiet on the set! Bread done. Take one.
Alright guys, so we're gonna see we can cut in our bread. Come here, boom boom. Come here. Here there. Here there. Woo! Woo! See what them one? It's a cartel guys. I got
Brawling!
do a bread.
Right, yes.
Delicious, man.
Boom delicious.
Just like bread. Now forward now, me get it. Alright. Yeah, alright.
Just like when I just buy the bread from the factory and you cool it.
Hot bread.
You know where butter there? That butter?
Drinks.
From last night, before.
Boom boom.
People, nice bread. Oven tough, this one. Okay. Oven. Very nice for crispy.
The chicken can bake in there too.
Cartel reach for the bread.
On time.
On time.
I bet you can roast that. Okay, here's a cool one.
Survival. Survival cooking.
Again, people, tell them about the hills. See people, natural thing. Anything we put your hand to, we can do it.
Yeah?
We just want to know what we do. And we know what we do. We just put it together and deal with it.
Outside. I say come for seconds.
Fully bad. I charge me that pound. Look here, peeps.
Watch out.
Man and bread. Fine now.
Cheese?
Bread and cheese. Fine. I'm sure.
I'm a dog, I'm a banana. Wait up.
Come.
Dog, make some.
Come puppy. All the cat them a eat bread.
See people, we ready in the hills.
You are come on.
Anything you want in the hills to do, we do it.
So peep.
She ain't name with the cheese.
Yeah, piece of cheese.
Half a straight. Yeah, got it. Fifth pieces, people. Fifth round.
What you drinking?
So, yeah, boost me around from the kitchen.
What you drinking?
So, I'm up.
Where are you? Where juice now?
Guess. Ginger juice. Ginger juice now. Yeah, I drink it though. Pineapple skin. Pineapple skin.
Thanks,
Oh, yeah, pineapple and ginger I drink though.
Yes, the ginger.
Let's taste the cheese.
Delicious, man.
So peep.
Look out here.
Half a century oven. Yo.
Man, I look boy, I'm go up for someone else in there.
The fire still underneath it now, peeps.
Yeah.
Fire still underneath it.
I want to invite you, I want to go for
You know, so I want a discussion with that discuss about how people cook back then. And I researched about Africa, how Africa used mud to make stove and things. Yeah. So we just gone back to our roots.
Cheers. Radam.
Yo, how come you not drink no juice? My youth.
Go on for juice that come.
What is
Go on for juice that come, my boss. Okay, it's a cheese come.
the word of the day? Without confidence, you're twice as defeat in the race of life. That means say, yeah, you have to have confidence in yourself, your blackness, your one left. Accept yourself for who you are, and everything will be alright here. So, give thanks to God, because He make we while we are here. So we must live as one. We have one blood, one race, human being race. You understand? Love. Oh, cheers.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank you for watching part 2 of our little series of making things in mud ovens. Bless upon yourself. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Please to comment and let us know what you think, and give the video a like. Big up on yourself all the time. Big up Marcus Garvey's. It's Marcus Garvey's birthday today, and understand, and big up all the Afrocentric people them out there, the diaspora people them, everybody in this wonderful world of ours. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video, and we'll see you next time.
HBO.
Boom, boom, boom.